Hello everyone, Natty Bee here and welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be doing something Lady Gaga inspiring. The kind of Lady Gaga makeup I'm going to be doing is pink and black eyeshadow along with the lightning bolt on the right side, and it was very challenging. And that was a lot of hard work to do something Lady Gaga inspiring. This is the first time I have ever done something celebrity inspired makeup tutorial, so I'm excited to do that. So let's get started. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids with this Milani eyeshadow primer, which helps make the eyeshadow stick on longer. So just grab a little bit at a time and then prime around your eyelids and under your eyes too as also. So I'm gonna start with the pink eyeshadow. So I'm going to grab this pink. That's because that's what she has in her lightning bolt makeup. Sorry, the lawnmower is outside. And probably mix with this pink as well. And her pink eyeshadow is more like a magenta eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna put the pink eyeshadow around my eyelids, and then later on I'm gonna put them under as well too. Okay, so when I seen the picture of the lightning bolt with pink eyeshadow around her, it looks like she's got a little bit of the dark areas around there. So I'm going to add black and a little bit of purple. Oh. I would recommend being careful with black because black is a super dark, thick color. And what I don't like about black eyeshadow, it's some of them can be very pigmented and it can go everywhere, like smear everywhere into another color. So just be careful with black because it's very dark and sometimes it's hard to apply black. So black around the eyes. So if the inner corners of the eyes get a little messy, feel free to add the more pink to fix that. Okay, so I ended up on starting over again, and I'm so sorry if it looks messy, but I will fix it later. And it was so frustrating and I had to fix everything off camera. Sorry about that. Okay, so before I put the pink under the eyes, I am going to put on my foundation, concealer, bronzer, and loose setting powder. But I will have loose setting powder on my under eyes, and then I'm going to add more pink under my eyes now. So I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, and bronzer off camera, and then put pink under the eyes while I have the powder on my face. So okay, now back to the pink officially. Okay, now I'm gonna do eyeliner, and I know it's a little weird that I have more powder on my face, So while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to use this Unstoppable from Maybelline. So I'm going to start with under my eyes. Okay, so I just put some blush on, and now that I am going to do a lightning bolt on, you know what, it's supposed to be on that side, actually, my bad. I'm just looking at myself right now, and I was thinking this one. So on my right side, I'm gonna put a lightning bolt, and it's gonna be nerve-wracking for me, and I never drew a lightning bolt before without tracing it. So I am going to be taking this a Color Studio for eyeshadow, and it's from Maybelline, and I think it's a cream eyeshadow, so it's black. I am a little worried that I'm gonna mess up, so here I go. Okay, this is the best that I can do, so I thought it looks good to me. What do you think? It's really hard to do, though. That was a lot of work, by the way. So I use this to try to make every corner or every triangle corner as sharp as possible, and I fill it in with more with this brush right here. So just like, you know, you can make it sharp as possible and fill it in as possible. And it's kind of sticky though, so okay, I'm going to put in a little bit of, you know, some dark gray to make the lightning bolt shiny and nice and clean. So okay, I think I wanted to add a little bit of highlighter because when I look at the picture, it looks like she had some highlighter on. So I'm using this color to shine it up. Two more things, and then I'm done. So I am going to put on mascara and then setting spray, and then this is going to be the complete look. I almost forgot one more thing. Lipstick. The lipstick I'm using is Matte Darling, which is a light dark pale pink, and it's from Milani, and it's so lovely. Now I'm finished. Woo! I'm exhausted from all that work. Okay, so this is how I did the Lady Gaga Pink and Black and Lightning Bolt, and it's just a recreation. So just need to know that. Okay, so I'm so ready to do a thumbnail. I'm so ready for this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Like, completely, I really love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you do. Don't forget to leave comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.